Come on out to Fort Wayne's prestigious southwest side where you can find one of the nicest upscale villa homes available. This 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 3-car garage home was built on an unbelievable pond lot with an incredible view. In addition to the large 3-car heated garage, this garage has a connecting workplace and storage area. Enjoy the home's open floor plan, complete with high ceilings that further open up the space. The large master suite that you've always wanted is split on the other side of the home from its additional 2 bedrooms. The breakfast room is the ideal spot to gather and eat with beautiful views of the backyard and pond. Enjoy entertaining from the covered veranda and extended sun patio where you can bask in the sunshine even on a cold winter day. Villa Living provides free front and rear lawn irrigation, weekly mowing, landscaping upkeep, drive and walkway snow removal, and more. Does this sound like your perfect match? Call Paul Sawfield to make this house your home.